Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications of 8-ball pool. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Settings application. Now scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Here tap on Manage Apps. Now in the search bar, type in 8-ball pool. Click on the notifications option. Now, in order to turn it off, you'll just have to tap on the button of Show Notifications. So that is how you can turn off notifications of 8-ball pool. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.